How to change email address in AliExpress. So if you want to change your email address, you follow the steps in this video. The first step is to click on AliExpress mobile app. You now click on your account and you now click on your profile details. So now once you click on profile details, you will now click on edit. So account information, it has your email address. You now click on that. And then you now proceed and you now click on email address. So now once you click on email address, they will now automatically send a confirmation code to you. As you can see, code sent. So you now minimize and you now check your email address. So now here is the code. So now let's go back to our AliExpress and then we'll now insert the code. And you now click on verify. So at this point, you will now insert your new email address. Click on continue. As you can see, this email address is already in existence. So you now look for the one that is free and you now click on continue to activate your email address. So if this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and share.